low carbon and eco-friendly. We give waste materials new life through recycling, powering the evolution of green logistics. Through continuous innovation and technological application, we are setting new benchmarks to advance sustainable development in the global logistics pallet industry. Henan Pallet Machinery Co Limited, with a facility covering over 10,000 square meters in Jiaozuo City, Henan Province, has evolved into a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. Since 2010, we have upheld the corporate philosophy of crafting premium products through technology, building brands with quality, and securing the future with service. Market-driven innovation fuels our product upgrades as we deliver cutting-edge pallet solutions for global logistics packaging. PalletMach's industry leadership stems from advanced technologies, holding 6 invention patents, 19 utility model patents, and ISO 9001, 14001, 45001 certifications. Recognized as a Henan technology-based enterprise and national high-tech enterprise, we hold leadership roles in multiple industry associations, including the China Circular Economy Association. Our industry academia research collaborations with partners like Wanhua Chemical and CAAS have yielded breakthroughs like the cotton field residual film recycling technology featured on CCTV1 for its environmental impact, showcasing our dual commitment to innovation and social responsibility. Our proprietary waste plastic recycling system processes diverse materials through automated modules, conveyor, extruder, weighing system, etc., enabling one-click production of pallets, containers, and manhole covers. This granulation-free process eliminates water waste, reduces pollution, and cuts costs by 40%. Embodying circular economy principles. Core plant fiber technology transforms agricultural wood waste into international standard pallets through hot press molding. Our fumigation-free, waterproof pallets with 3D structures increase packing volume by 30%. The fully automated line, crushing, drying, hot pressing, etc., enhances efficiency while promoting biomass recycling. The wood block production line repurposes industrial scraps into high-performance pallet components through crushing, extrusion processes, reducing costs by 10 to 20% with 6 automation technologies. As an industry leader, the pallet nailing machine positions technological innovation as its core competitive advantage. Delivering full compliance with European, American, and international pallet standards, the system integrates premium components, including brand name PLC control systems, servo motors, and Schneider electrical modules, achieving nail placement accuracy within less than or equal to positive and negative 0.5 mm through intelligent control technology. The automated nailing stacking configuration demonstrates exceptional cost efficiency, reducing labor requirements by 80% while enabling single-line supervision by 1 to 2 technicians. This automation-driven approach enhances production efficiency 4 to 5-fold compared to conventional manual operations. Supported by a 200-member engineering team, PalletMach ensures seamless global equipment deployment through customized solution design and 24/7 intelligent production support. The integrated molded press pallet monitoring platform provides real-time parameter tracking across production processes, systematically tracking key metrics including output yield, energy expenditure, and material consumption. Advanced algorithms generate visualized data dashboards, establishing digital twins of production ecosystems. With proven expertise in 300+ implementations across 50+ countries, the company's technical excellence and dedicated service philosophy empower clients to achieve operational efficiency breakthroughs, fulfilling its Trust Without Borders commitment. Driven by sustainable development objectives, PalletMach is pioneering intelligent manufacturing through AI integration. The strategic roadmap focuses on building circular economy solutions encompassing equipment R&D, manufacturing, and pallet recycling platforms, targeting green manufacturing leadership in global pallet equipment within 3 to 5 years. The company aims to deliver comprehensive equipment plus data plus service solutions to accelerate zero-carbon transformation in logistics packaging.